What is upcoming package? There are no words that I can use to describe this mess right here. This is carbon steel. In fact, all Chinese bike came with this. It's not stainless steel, carbon steel. You can see the aftermath. Hard engine accelerating. Like I showed you in that 91 miles per hour video. That's the aftermath. Alright. Now, because of that thing broken, I had to strip out a bolt here that snaps. Now, on that Jonway, as you may know, I am China Motorsports. Because that I am China Motorsports, you can get any Chinese part on any bike whatsoever. Especially when I unbox a motorcycle and I put the title of the bike, the actual name of the bike, and not the so-called dealership that sells you the bike that you cannot find parts for. Even so, on your own, you cannot find parts for it. So you're gonna have to contact someone like me, or who knows, maybe you can get it on your own. So this right here is stainless steel. All of my bike has stainless steel. In fact, one of the benefits of the new bikes that I just purchased, which I'm going to show you, whop! See that? Stainless steel exhaust. Not many bike has it. Straight out from the factory. And then you got my V-twin here. My beautiful V-twin. All these stainless steel fenders, right? Another stainless steel exhaust. So the factory sent this bike with a carbon steel, right? I upgraded to my style. Now the last one that I need to upgrade to, this guy right here. The benefit of stainless steel is that it is made to endure high acceleration, especially when it's an aftermarket. I go here to connect this. Now, I don't know who you follow on YouTube. You do not install an exhaust without an actual exhaust bracket. You never install an exhaust without a seal for it. Everything has a seal. An engine has a seal. An exhaust also has a seal. That's the seal for this bike, the Jonway. Otherwise, you're gonna have an air leak. When I'm finished with this bike, it's gonna have a sound. Now, to install that, you are going to need cement. Cement, the purpose of the cement is to hold this in place, right? Now, the purpose of this thing these are brand new, by the way. These are the old one that I took off from it. You can see it matches the exhaust baffle and just seal it instantly as you tighten it to the right spec. So if you are just removing the exhaust and you're not doing anything in there, just the exhaust, you probably can reuse your old seal. But if you're doing something like I'm doing right now,
Alright, so I'm gonna take one of these. It doesn't matter, left or right, same thing. And I'm gonna paste it. Yeah. All right. It wants to stay down. Let it stay there. That's it. To install this aftermarket exhaust, you're gonna have to remove your radiator. And pray God you Loctite it, otherwise your boat's gonna fell off. You can see. That's it.
Alright, we got two beautiful sport bikes. The installation is finished. You heard the sound from the beginning of the video. So I'm going to start this bike. I'm not going to start this bike. Just like those smartphone YouTubers, I cannot show you guys what the bike is. That's the deal between me and the manufacturer. You're gonna have to buy it yourself. I just show you the unboxing. Okay. 3, 2, 1.
Be crazy to keep on revving that thing because it is not good if the bike is not running towards the wind. So that's why I don't want to rev it too much. Thing is, you cannot hear any leak. A leak is like you only hear. All right, I'm gonna give it a light rev for you. Okay, I had to do this an extender. This right here doesn't reach. Why? Because this is so close. It doesn't go any higher than that. This is it.